Hey everyone, so today's video is some Instagram inspired everyday outfits, so I really hope you like it and let's get into it. So my first outfit is my favourite. I absolutely love the bodysuit. It looks just like the Dior ones. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. The shirt I'm wearing over the top of this is from Missguided. This is such a staple in my wardrobe. It's so good to just throw over things. And then for my jeans, these are also from Pretty Little Thing. I just love the rips on them. I just think this bodysuit can be so easily dressed up or down, and I think it looks great with a casual look like this. The shoes I've decided to wear with this outfit are my Lecoq Sportive trainers. I just thought these went with the look perfectly. In outfit 2, this is a more sporty look. So the jacket is from Missguided. I really loved the mix of colours on this and the leopard print too. And then underneath I'm just wearing a plain black top from Missguided as well. And these leggings are also from there. These are from their petite section. I really like the colour of these. It's kind of a mix between a red and a pink. The trainers I'm wearing with this are my nude Pumas. These are so good, you can wear them with literally anything. I'll link everything I show in this video down below in the description. I know a lot of this stuff is still in stock, so definitely go check them out if you're interested in anything. For my third outfit, I've got on a black Bordeaux bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing. The stripes on this kind of remind me of Balenciaga, but the best thing about it is the fit of it. I just think you could style it with so many different things like skirts or shorts or different coloured jeans. So the jeans I'm wearing are also from Pretty Little Thing. I just think the open sides make them really unique, and I think that when the weather gets a bit warmer, these would be perfect again to go with so many different outfits. For shoes, I think you could wear pretty much anything with these, but I've gone for a pair of lace-up sandals from Pretty Little Thing. In outfit 4, this is a very laid-back look, but it's always good to have some basics, so I've just got on a light pink sweatshirt from Pretty Little Thing. They always have the best sweatshirts, I'll link them down below. The jeans I'm wearing with this look are from Topshop. I got these a while ago, so I'm not sure they still do them, but I'm sure I'll link a similar pair down below. Then for my shoes, again, I'm wearing my nude Pumas. This shows how often you can wear them with so many different outfits. For my fifth outfit, I've got on a rugby style shirt from Missguided. I've seen these a lot recently, so I'll link to some others down below too. Then my jeans are just a white pair with rips in from River Island. I don't think they do these anymore, so I'll link to some similar ones down below, but I just thought this was a really nice spring look. My trainers are from Gucci, although I'll link to some dupes in the description. I've literally found a pair which just looks so alike to them. Hopefully they'll still be in your size. And finally, outfit 6 is another casual one. My hoodie is from Pretty Little Thing and my jeans are from Topshop. I really liked the colour of this hoodie. I just thought it was a bit different and again, very easy to work into different outfits. My shoes are just my khaki bow Pumas. If you watch my videos, you'll recognise these. I show them all the time. I just think Pretty Little Thing and Missguided are so good. They just jump on the trends so quickly and everything's super affordable too. So that is it everyone, I really hope you liked it. Obviously add jackets and coats where you need to. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it, and also leave me a comment down below because I love hearing what you think as always. And yeah, have a great day and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.